In lecture number 6, we discuss the melting point and factor affecting melting point. First, know what is the melting point. Melting point is the temperature at which solid polymer is converted into the liquid state. At melting point, order या oriented chain is converted into the unoriented chain. Simply say that this is the solid polymer in which have some ordered structure and some random structure. Then melting point is the property of this ordered structure. So you can say the melting point is a property of the crystalline region in the polymer. When given some temperature to this polymer, this ordered chain is converted into the unoriented chain at melting point. Melting of the solid polymer occur when the change in the free Gibbs energy of the process is zero. According to the free Gibbs energy concept, the free Gibbs energy change in the free equation of the change in the free Gibbs energy is equal to delta G is equal to delta H minus T into delta S. Then at melting point change in the Gibbs energy is zero. So delta H is equal to T into delta S. So T is equal to delta H divided by delta S. Then this temperature is known as melting point, where delta H is change in enthalpy during the process, and this delta H represents the change in the cohesive energy between the solid and liquid state. Delta S is represent the entropy change during the melting, and this delta S represent the change in the order from the solid to in liquid. Then melting point is equal to change in enthalpy divided by change in entropy. Remember this formula. When change in entropy is low, then the melting point is increases. Factor affecting the melting point. First, intermolecular bonding. Then increasing the intermolecular bonding, the melting point of the polymer will be increases. Chain flexibility. Increasing the chain flexibility, the randomness of the chain is increases. That's why their melting point will be decreases. Effect of structure. If the polymer have the cyclic structure, then their melting point is high. The copolymerization technique is important tool to control the glass transition temperature and melting point of polymer. We discuss it below in detail. Backbone stiffness. The backbone stiffness also affect the melting point of the polymer. If the bulky group, bulky group surrounding the polymeric chain is increased, then their melting point will be increases. Crystallinity. Degree of crystallinity also affect the melting point. Also affect the melting point. Increasing the degree of crystallinity, the order of chain increases. That's why their melting point will be increases. Polarity and intermolecular bonding. The presence of the polar group increase the intermolecular forces and interchain attraction between the chain. This is the main polymeric chain of the polymer, and having the polar group like the chlorine, Ar, oxygen, Ar amide group. Similarly, we can see here this is the polar group and they attracted to each other and increase the attraction between these both polymeric chain. That's why required more energy to break this bond. And that's why their melting point will be increases in the presence of the polar group. For example, we can see polycarbolactone PCl have the repeat unit this Lylon 6 their repeat unit, Lylon 6 and this is the repeat unit. The PCl have the melting point surrounding 61 degrees centigrade and Lylon 6 have the melting point surrounding 225 to the 230 degree centigrade. Allyl 6,6 have the melting point surrounding 265 degree centigrade. You can see the effect of the polarity. Here only one polar group, CO. Here oxygen group present in the present in any main polymeric chain increase the flexibility, but there is the one polar group CO, that's why their melting point is surrounding 61 degree centigrade. In the case of the Lylon 6, we can see the CO and NH. There are two polar group, and due to the presence of this polar group, the hydrogen bonding occur between their polymeric chain. That's why their melting point around 225 to the 230 degree centigrade. In case of the Lylon 6,6, we can see here in a one repeat unit the polar group 1, 2 and 3, and in a Lylon 6,6 the intra hydrogen bonding occur. That's why their melting point is surrounding 265 degree centigrade. So you can see they are increasing the polarity of the polymer, their melting point temperature will be also increases. The flexibility of the polymeric chain is also affect the melting temperature of the polymer. Increasing the flexibility, the randomness of the polymer will be increases. That's why their melting point will be decreases. You know that the polymer having the order structure required the polymer. You know that polymer having the order structure, you required more temperature to break it into the random structure. The flexibility of the polymer is also affect the melting point of the polymer. Increasing the flexibility of a polymer, their unoriented chain will be increased. That's why their melting point will be reduced. The polymer having the more ordered structure have the higher Tg. Because of this ordered structure required some more temperature to become it in a random orientation. So the increasing the flexibility decrease their melting point. The polymer having group like OR, COO in their main polymeric chain increase their flexibility of the polymeric chain. That's why their melting point will be decreases. In case of the increasing the aliphatic chain length of the main polymeric chain, that aliphatic chain length, that means CS2 length, they increase their flexibility. That's why their melting point will be decreases. The presence of the cyclic structure in their repeat unit restrict the rotation, that means decreases their flexibility, increases. Example number 1, first polyethylene HDP and second is the PP. You can see here polyethylene have the repeat unit of the polyethylene have a melting point surrounding 135 degree centigrade, but in case of the polypropylene, one bulky group increases. That's why their flexibility will be reduced, so their melting point will be surrounding 165 degree centigrade. Second example, polystyrene have the melting point surrounding 240 degree centigrade. We can say the cyclic structure is not in their repeat unit, but in case of the polypyrrolidine, we can see the cyclic structure in their repeat unit that restrict the rotation of these polymeric chain. That's why their flexibility will be decreases and increase their melting point. Degree of crystallinity also affect the melting point. Increasing the degree of crystallinity, their melting point will be increases. Because of increasing the degree of crystallinity, their order structure will be increased. The all polymer does not have 100% crystalline. That means they have some ordered structure and some random structure. This is the order region, which is known as the crystalline region, and this is the randomness region, that means known as the amorphous region. You can see increasing the degree of crystallinity, the order region will be increased and required high high temperature या heat to the convert them in the random unoriented chain. That's why increasing the degree of crystallinity of the polymer increases their melting point. For example, HDP have the degree of crystallinity around 80 to 90% and their melting point around 135 degrees centigrade. But in case of the LDP have the degree of crystallinity around 40 to 60% and their melting point lie between 100 to the 112 degrees centigrade. You can see increasing the degree of crystallinity of the same polymer, their melting point will be